The implants I had to go to an oral surgeon first that he recommended to do the extraction and, of course, the oral surgery, and then went to Dr. Barfield, which he explained to me that what they're going to do, put the posts in, and once I got there with him, the pain was over with. That was from the surgeon. So the process with him, they took the impression, made the crowns, I had a couple of visits, and it was done. There's nothing I don't like. Dr. Barfield I've known for 20 years. I know his family, his parents are my neighbors. I know his wife, I know his kids. He knows me very well. The ladies at the front desk are all sweet and friendly and professional, and we have a good rapport. Brandy, who's the only one that I let clean my teeth, knows me inside and out, and I have the best experience. I would not go anywhere else.